In this tutorial, you will learn how to send broadcast campaigns using Instagram. Before you start, make sure you have a free or paid WOZTELL account and an Instagram channel connected to it. Let's get started. On the WOZTELL platform, go to the Broadcast section in the top menu. Here, you can view and manage all your campaigns. To create a new one, click New Broadcast. Give your broadcast a name and a short internal description. Then, choose the Instagram channel you want to use. Next, select who will receive your broadcast message. You can choose an existing audience or send it to every contact in the channel. Let's create a new one. You can build a dynamic audience by segmenting with specific criteria, such as tags or language. Or a static audience by manually selecting contacts saved under the Contacts tab. In this example, I'll select these contacts to create our audience. You can also exclude contacts from your campaign using the tab below. Once your audience is ready, click Next. Now, define the content of your Instagram message. First, open the side menu, click Add Platform, and select Instagram. This will display Instagram-specific formats for your message. We strongly recommend using either text or carousel messages, as they allow you to include interactive action buttons. For this example, we'll create a carousel. You can test your broadcast by sending a sample message to a user. When you're ready, schedule your message or send it right away. You can also include tags to track the users who received this broadcast. Click Send, confirm one final time, and your broadcast campaign is live. Once all messages have been sent, you can check the campaign statistics. If you haven't finished your campaign yet and want to keep your progress, click this button to save it as a draft at any point, and return later. And if you've already scheduled your campaign, you can still come back and modify any elements before it goes out. That's it. You can find more information in our knowledge base. See you next time.